Hello PBMA community, this is Brendan Agasar for the Wave Makers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening within our school community. Let's dive into our quick updates for this week, November 17th to November 21st. Here's Marissa and Sophia for Shark Bites.
Hey Sharks, it's Marissa.
And Sophia.
And here are some quick Shark updates. Don't miss your chance to capture the memories. The 2025 yearbook is on sale for just $34 each. Secondary campus, go to yearbookordercenter.com and remember to use the code 26591 when ordering. Secure your copy before the price goes up. Sweet news, Sharks. Every Wednesday, donuts are available outside Building 2 for just $2 each. All proceeds help support our seniors, so grab a donut and show your Shark spirit while giving back.
Sharks, remember all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the entire day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passing during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute a learning count.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all the Wave Makers episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And that's it for our quick Shark updates. Back to you, Brandon.
Now it's time for the Shark Sports Update.
Hey Sharks, this is Lamadu, and this is the scoreboard. We scored the latest sports news at PBMA. The middle school boys soccer team blast past Franklin PBG in an 8-0 victory. Here's Ryan and Renault for more details.
The PBMA boys middle school soccer team delivered an impressive performance on Monday, securing a commanding 8-0 win over the Franklin PBG Patriots on their home field. The Sharks showcased strong teamwork and relentless offense with standout goals scored by Naylin Flores, Joel Perez, Anthony Garnieri, Eduardo Moran, and Calvin Clairvoyant. Their sharp passing, solid defense, and confident shooting powered the team to a decisive victory, highlighting their continued growth and determination this season.
The PBMA high school boys basketball team earned an impressive victory on Thursday, defeating Somerset Wellington 57-34. Marvin Bertrand led the charge with 16 points, while Adam added 12 and Gabriel Marrero contributed 11 to seal the dominant win. With this victory, the Sharks improved to a 2-2 record for the season. Let's go Sharks! For highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches that our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride. Juniors and seniors gathered in the cafeteria last Friday, November 14th, for an inspiring talk with Coach Keith Everett Brooks on preparing for the future, not just in careers, but in understanding life and developing the person they hope to become. His message encouraged students to look beyond job titles and focus on character, purpose, and personal growth. Coach Brooks, founder of Entrance Solutions, is known for his lifelong desire to help others live their best lives. His calm and non-judgmental approach allows him to create a safe and comfortable environment where individuals can reflect and grow. The event was organized and coordinated by Mr. Roseman, who ensured a meaningful and engaging experience for the students. Students left the session motivated and empowered, carrying with them meaningful insights on shaping their future self. PBMA Sharks enjoyed a week of excitement and community bonding during Thanksgiving Spirit Week, which took place last week. Each day featured a unique theme that encouraged creativity and school spirit across all grade levels. The celebration kicked off on Monday with Pajama Day, where students arrived in their coziest sleepwear, creating a relaxed and cheerful atmosphere to start the week. On Tuesday, the energy picked up for Turkey Bowl Jersey Day, as students proudly wore their favorite team jerseys in support of the annual Thanksgiving season traditions. Wednesday highlighted the beauty of the season with Fall Colors Day. Students dressed in warm autumn shades, reds, oranges, yellows, and browns to showcase the spirit of fall throughout the campus. The fun continued on Thursday with Silly Socks and Flannel Day. Bright, mismatched socks and soft flannel outfits filled the hallways, bringing plenty of laughter and personality to the school day. The week concluded on a heartwarming note with Friendsgiving Friday, where students celebrated friendship, kindness, and gratitude. Many shared small treats, exchanged positive messages, and participated in classroom activities focused on thankfulness. Thanksgiving Spirit Week successfully brought students and staff together, reminding the PBMA community of the joy of connection and the importance of gratitude during the holiday. Now it's time to check out what the skies have in store. Here's Alberto Medina with this week's Weather Watch, bringing you the latest updates so you're ready for anything, rain or shine.
Hello PBMA community, welcome back to the Weather Watch where I give the forecast for this Thanksgiving break. Today, mostly sunny, highs in the low 80s with winds around 8 miles per hour, chance of rain near 10%. Tonight, mostly clear with lows in the high to mid 60s, winds around 4 miles per hour, chance of rain near 0%. Here's our Thanksgiving break outlook. The temperatures will remain above average for the next several days with highs in the mid 80s and lows in the low 70s and will continue on into the other week. While last week was a cold blast, next week won't be so cold. However, Thanksgiving break will have a slight chance of thunderstorms, and the coming days after will have moderate rain chances. And for some important weather news, next Sunday, November 30th, marks the final day of the Atlantic hurricane season. While the season was active with 7 tropical storms, 5 hurricanes with 4 of them being major, and a short-lived subtropical storm, South Florida remained mostly untouched, marking another safe year for us in the hurricane season. That's our weather forecast for today. Sharks, remember, our weather can be unpredictable, so always be ready for anything. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I'm Alberto Medina, your school weatherman. Back to you, Brandon.
This week, we interviewed random PBMA students and staff with the Thanksgiving spirit in mind. Students and staff were asked the question, what are you most thankful for? Here's a better insight of what the Sharks at PBMA are grateful for with Zoe Covedo for The Lighthouse.
Hey Sharks, it's Zoe here from The Lighthouse, and today we're doing something a little different and asking students and staff what they're thankful for. What are you most thankful for?
Thankful for my staff, leadership team, my family, and my students.
That's nice. All right, I have one question for you. What are you most thankful for?
I'm most thankful for my parents and my family.
I like that.
Yes, thank you.
I have one question, Miss Coleman. What are you most thankful for?
I am most thankful for life, family, and health.
I love the answer.
And my students.
Thank you. Hi. What's your name?
Which Leonard?
Okay, I have one question for you. What are you most thankful for?
My mom and honestly, myself.
Love it, love it, love it. Thank you.
No problem.
Have a nice day.
You too.
I have a question for all of you guys. What are you guys most thankful for?
I'm thankful for my friends. Thankful for my friends and family.
I'm thankful for my friends and family.
I'm thankful for my friends and my family and my food.
I'm also thankful for my friends and family, especially Krista.
Thank you guys. Hi, I'm Zoe and I'm here with
Amelia.
Natalie, Bianca,
And Nadia.
my question for you guys today is what are you guys most thankful for and why?
I'm thankful for my cat because it keeps me off my phone.
I'm thankful for my pet dog and my family and money because, I just like it.
I'm thankful for my family because they take care of me and they're my number one supporter.
I'm thankful for my family, my sister, and my dog because they just make me happy when I'm down.
Thank you guys for your time today. Thank you for everyone who shared what they're thankful for. No matter what you said, it's a great reminder that there's always something to appreciate from all of us here at the Lighthouse. We hope you have a safe, happy, and thankful Thanksgiving. This is Zoe signing off. See you next time, Sharks.
This week, we're joined by Mr. Kime, our awesome science teacher, to share how he inspires students to think critically, stay curious, and lead with purpose, both inside and outside the classroom. Let's find out what motivates him to make science come alive every day. Here's Alexis Olsen for Leading with Purpose.
Hi Sharks, welcome back to Leading with Purpose, where we feature PBMA teachers and staffs who inspire us every day. I'm Alexis, and today we're talking with our amazing science teacher, Mr. Kime. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Kime. I have a few questions for you.
Okay, go ahead.
Science can be challenging for many students, but also really exciting. What inspired you to become a science teacher, and what keeps you passionate about teaching it every day?
Well, I'm pretty curious about the natural world as it is, so I got my degree in biology and eventually decided to switch to science because I enjoy educating others on my curiosities and try to solve theirs as well.
Okay. In your classes, you always connect science to real life. How do you help students see the importance of science beyond the classroom?
You know, science is in everything we do. It's in the clouds, the food we eat, the drinks we drink, running, exercise, all that stuff. It's always good to link those things to what we're doing in the classroom, especially in biology, where a lot of those processes happen in our bodies.
Our segment is called Leading with Purpose. What does leading with purpose mean to you as a teacher, and how do you hope to inspire your students to do the same?
You know, teaching with purpose means to teach with meaning. And if you can't teach the meaning of something or interest those students in that item that you're teaching, then why are they ever going to bother learning it? So it's a good idea to give it a purpose and something that each student can apply to their daily lives so they actually put it there.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kime, for sharing your passion and purpose with us. Sharks, let's keep learning, stay curious, and continue to lead with purpose, just like Mr. Kime.
Thank you.
And now for our quote of the week. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. That's it for this week's Wavemakers. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Brendan Nagasar for the Wavemakers.